Hey everyone, it's Jimmy Lagua, and now I'm going to discuss you the prelim lab number 3. On that day, we have created the leap year checker, triangle type identifier, and the number comparison game. So for the leap year checker, ayan, gamit kami dito ng if else. Yung kanina, sa lab number 2, nag-input lang kami, tapos onting computation and string formatting. Ayan, dito naman sa leap year checker, logic, gamit kami ng logical OR, and then end, logical end, and then if leap year, ito, mag-print siya ng leap year. If else, kung hindi siya leap year, hindi siya nag-true dito, then magka-false, then it will it will print not a leap year. So, a triangle type identifier naman, yan, kukuhain niya yung tatlong side ng tatlong input. So, first side, syempre yung triangle, tatlo lang naman yung side niya. So, tinitingnan din do'n kung anong klaseng triangle siya. So, kung pasok siya do'n, ayan, meron dito gamit kami dito ng if, ng logical end, tapos elif, else if, gamit din kami. So, first side 20, second side 25, third side 19, kalin yung yung type of triangle. Pero may option dito, pwedeng equilateral, pwede ring isosceles. For number 3, the number comparison game, ayan, we've used the um, type conversion, na input string, and then we've converted into integer using the function int. So, gamit din kami dito ng if and if else. So, kinuha yung tatlong input ng first number, second number, third number, and then hinanap din yung largest. And kung pag nahanap yung largest, sasabihin kung i-identify kung even or odd. So, for example, first number 9, second number 2, third number 87. So, mag-print sila doon ng 87, and then for 87, it is odd, then mag-print ng odd. So, pretty much that's it for our prelim lab number 3. Ayun lang naman.